Hello and welcome to Power BI API development environment, Postman installation. Today what we are going to do is install Postman, which will help us to create API links and all that, and that will make sense when we start calling API and things like that. But this is very important feature that we need to install, and there are many API development environments, and I personally use Postman. So for that, let's jump into right away. So here's the link to download and install Postman, and once you go on this site, page will appear like that. So let's get there. So here's the page. All you need to do is just click on download, and you will get an option for 32 and 64-bit. I have 64-bit, so I'm going to pick 64-bit right here, and it will ask you to save the file. Yes, and as you can see, it's pretty much, it's very lightweight installation. So it's done. I'm gonna click there, and I have it here. Actually, I had it before as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and click right here, and it's gonna go through his regular steps. It's coming up, so there it is. Let's see. So it is installing Postman right now, and it looks like it is done. It's gonna bring that up, and right here you need to create an account. Of course, just provide your email, password, confirm the password, and then agree on the terms. So once you do that, your Postman account will be created. So once you provide all that information, it will ask you to provide your name. You want to put the picture and the role. You can pretty much use the role that you that is your role. So in this case, let's just pick up backend developer. What's your name? I'm going to say just BI developer. All right. How do you plan to use? Basically, you can use as many options as you wish. I'm going to use just publish APIs for Power BI. So I'm just going to click on continue. If there are multiple developers and you want to associate yourself or have a team that you want to create, you can do that as well, but I'm gonna just continue without team. So basically this is it created my account, and I have workspace, and from here on we can go ahead and generate APIs, and that will interact with our Power BI services, and that what we will cover in subsequent videos in the future. But this is, if you're looking to install Postman, this is how you do it. And once you get to this screen, you have successfully installed and configured and created account with Postman. Hopefully you like the contents of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, thank you.